How to restore SMS messages to an LG phone. Restoring your SMS text messages from a previous phone to an LG phone is an easy process. We'll show you how. On the old phone, first back up your data using the steps in the backup to Google video linked in the description. Then, on the new LG phone, go through the activation and setup until you get to the point where it asks you to copy apps and data. Tap on Next, then tap on a backup from the cloud. Now sign in with the Google email and password you used to back up your old phone. On the next screen, choose either Skip or Yes, I'm in. On the next screen, choose I agree if you agree with the terms and conditions. This is required to restore the data. Tap on the backup to restore. Confirm your screen lock from your old phone, if applicable. Choose what content to restore from the options. You can select apps, contacts, and device settings. Note that Google Calendar, Contacts, Photos, and Gmail are automatically synced and do not have checkboxes. Tap on Restore and wait for the restore to complete. This can take from a few minutes to an hour depending on the data connection speed and the amount of data to be restored. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your new phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.